In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Leshy follower in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what steps you have to take to make sure that you can get Leshy as a follower. So you can only get the bishops as followers once you have beaten the main storyline. So even if you have beaten Leshy for the first time, you will still need to defeat all of the bishops before you are able to get Leshy or any other one as a follower. So beat all of them, and then there will be a final boss. Now, after this, you will have to beat the harder versions of all of them again. So basically, you have to beat the one who waits, and then after this is done and you beat this final boss, you will have to kill punished Leshy. So it is going to be a little bit harder, but if you are able to defeat Leshy again, you will be able to get Leshy as a follower immediately upon defeating him the second time. So to keep it simple, in summary, first, complete all of the bishops and then defeat the one who waits, Narinder. Once you kill him, you will be able to go back to Leshy in Darkwood and defeat him a second time as punished Leshy, and he is going to become a follower with unique sound, voice, and dialogue. He will also have quests unique to him, and he will ask to retrieve his own eye in Darkwood. 10 days after reclaiming his eye, he will request to visit his shrine, and completing the crusade all the way at the end of the Darkwood allows him to reclaim his own eye upon reaching the end. So all that you have to do is kill him once, kill all of the bishops, and then defeat the one who waits, Narinder. Once this is done, go back on Darkwood, kill Leshy once more, and you will be able to get him as a follower right away in Code of the Lamb, and you will be able to see all of the unique interactions and quests. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Leshy follower in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.